So the DJI RC Pro is a mighty piece of kit and it's mighty expensive. Is the cost of this worth all of the extra things it does?
Get out of my way!
You're always so angry.
Caledonia, get back here!
So what does it do that's better than the RC, which is the RM330? Well, the things that I've found over having this for the past 3 months, first of all, the signal strength on the RC Pro is fantastic, probably because of the external antennas that you have on it. The signal strength, particularly if you are in an area where there is interference, buildings, trees, structures, residences, lots of Wi-Fi signals, the signal strength on this DJI RC Pro is much better than the RM330. And another feature it has is the screen here. This screen is a 1080p screen, which is perfect for the size it is. It's 4K wouldn't be any better here because of the size of the screen. It's very, very clear and very bright. The nits are much higher than they are with the RM330. It's very clear and very easy to see. The screen recording is also 1080p, which is fantastic if you like to overlay the screen recording on some of your videos. It's sharp and as good as the screen. You're able to use third-party apps on this RC Pro, and you can download anything and use it. I like, in particular, the DJI Virtual Flight. I use that one to practice my FPV flying as if I had an avatar using this controller. And I like Drone Link. I've downloaded Drone Link too, which allows you to use waypoint missions with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Nothing else can let you use waypoint missions with the DJI Mini 3 Pro at the moment, only Drone Link. But the best thing about this, and the thing that I really got it for, and I really love, is the fact that you can hook it up to a large monitor. And if you have it hooked up to a large monitor, it means that you can fly your drone, and instead of just using the little screen that comes on the DJI RC Pro, you can actually watch it on a big screen. Now, as big as you can have. This is I think it's a 27-inch screen, and I can actually watch all of my flights here, and I'm going to show you now. It will replicate whatever I'm seeing on the screen here. I can see on the bigger screen here. So I can launch my Mini 3 Pro, and I can either watch the screen or I can watch her on the bigger screen right here. Please check it on the map. Which makes a fantastic difference. And this is Doon Castle, which at the moment there's no entry to. As you can see that by the fence that's all the way around it. And I think it's because maybe some of the stones have been falling. So it gives you the choice of watching on a massive screen or on the screen that comes with the DJI RC Pro. And because it has an HDMI output, what you can also do is you can connect it up to your computer, either MacBook or laptop, and you can live stream, and you can live stream the signal from your drone while it's flying. So there we go. So there's Calcam. That's Caledonia Cam. Watch a minute. Is it there? Yeah, that's Caledonia. The Calcam. So many cameras here. I can switch between Caledonia Cam, although she's not focusing on me all that well. To that's a screen, eh? Of the chat. And where are we? That's me. That's the 360 camera. So that's the view from. Oh, that's looking at so if Caledonia can look at the. She's looking at the 360. Oh my God, I've got so many cameras and anyway, enough of that nonsense. And so for that one feature alone, where you can hook up an HDMI cable to a monitor and use that as your screen, and connect it to a computer and use it as part of your live stream, for me, that's worth the extra money. And the final thing, that's not really all that important, but the final thing that I like about the DJI RC Pro is that it feels like a controller. It doesn't feel like a toy. It feels like a real piece of kit. Would I recommend the DJI RC Pro? To anyone who has a Mini 3 Pro, yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Once you fly using the DJI RC Pro, you can never go back to using the RM330 or the RC as they call it. So that's my opinion. I know it's pricey. You can buy a reconditioned one from DJI for about £709. And they're as good as new. A friend of mine purchased a reconditioned one, and we compared my new one with his reconditioned one, and we couldn't find a single difference. So if you enjoyed this, give us a wee thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.